Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are doing well at home. You all are welcome to English class. Today in English grammar, we will learn about interrogative sentences. Our topic is interrogative sentences. Now, what is interrogative sentence? What is an interrogative sentence? So, a sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. What are the rules of interrogative sentence? We put a question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Let's understand by a few examples. There are few sentences written on the left side and few sentences are written on the right side. So compare these sentences. First is I am right. This is simple sentence. This is a statement. But when I convert this sentence into interrogative, it become am I right? Question mark. In place of full stop, we put question mark. Next is we are late. And in interrogative, it becomes are we late? Question mark. Third is she is old. In interrogative, it becomes is she old? Question mark. Then the sound was clear. Was the sound clear? Question mark. You have pen. Have you a pen? Question mark. So what we did? We put helping verbs before the subject. Right? What we did to form an interrogative sentence, we put helping verbs like am, are, is, was, have before the subjects. Right? Now, how this is the formation of interrogative sentence. So sentence of the type like I am a boy. It can become am I a boy? He is a doctor. Is he a doctor? Question mark. You were absent yesterday. Were you absent yesterday? So am, is, were, etc. we put for the subject. Right? In second type, sentence of type he has, I had, you have, etc. For example, he has a car. So you can say has he a car? Question mark. I had fever yesterday. Had I a fever yesterday? You have new cycle. Have you a new cycle? Question mark. So in interrogative sentence we put has, have, had before the subject. Right? Now let's do some practice. First sentence is Supriya was respectful to her teacher. This is a statement. And when we convert this sentence into interrogative, we will shift was before the subject. We put was before the subject. Now the sentence in interrogative will be was Supriya respectful to her teacher? Question mark. Now we are asking a question. Next is the meeting is at 6 p.m. We are just informing you. We are declaring that the meeting is at 6 p.m. But if someone asks, is meeting at 6 p.m? Question mark. So what we did here? We put is before the subject and the subject is meeting. Right? So is the meeting at 6 p.m? So let's do practice with your book. Your book is having exercise and the concept will be clear to you. Right? So thank you so much.